Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie downs, part number C2224 on a Chevy Silverado 1500 truck. These tie downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie downs are powder coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Beginning on the passenger side, locate the front spring hanger and loosen the factory bolt about 1/4 of an inch. Lift the tie-down receiver onto the spring hanger as shown. Line up the back side of the receiver with the lower hole on the spring hanger. Place a plate washer between the hanger and receiver, then insert a bolt and washer down through the hole. Secure the bolt with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Push the tie-down receiver up and tighten the factory spring bolt. Now line up the passenger side frame plate with the spring hanger as shown. Insert a bolt and washer through the top hole of the plate and spring hanger. Secure it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Insert a bolt and washer into each of the lower holes on the frame plate. Secure with a washer, lock washer, and nut. You can now torque down the rest of the hardware. Repeat these steps to install the driver's side tie down. When you're ready to use your tie downs, simply slide an insert into the receiver and secure it with the 1/4 inch snapper pin. Your tie down installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.